Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing a clean HTML file with inline styles so Outlook renders it reliably. Host images on HTTPS or have local images ready. Once done, open Outlook, go to File, Options, Mail, Signatures, and create a new signature placeholder so Outlook allocates the right files. Next, open your HTML in a browser, select Everything and copy. This step moves formatted content into Outlook's editor. It preserves layout and links better than reconstructing the design inside the editor. Now paste the HTML into the Outlook signature editor and inspect spacing, fonts, and links so the visual match is accurate. Make sure images are either referenced by absolute HTTPS URLs or placed into the Outlook signatures folder and referenced by file name. This ensures recipients see images instead of broken links. Also avoid external style sheets. Inline styles are more consistent. Once refined, save the signature and set it as the default for the appropriate account so it's automatically appended when you compose messages. Finish by sending test messages to Gmail, Mobile Outlook, and another desktop client to verify appearance and image loading, because rendering varies between platforms. If images are missing, host them on an HTTPS server or place them in the Outlook signatures folder and update the HTML paths. That usually fixes broken images. Make sure CSS is inline and use table-based layout for consistent results. If Outlook still shows the old version, clear the cache or restart the app so your changes take effect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.